In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. Connecting ClickUp with GitHub is useful when you want to manage development work more easily. It lets you connect tasks with commits, branches, pull requests, and code updates, so your project management and development workflow stay in sync. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you have permission to manage integrations in the workspace you want to connect. Next, click your profile avatar or workspace menu, then open Settings. From there, look for Integrations or App Center, depending on your ClickUp layout. Search for GitHub and select the GitHub integration. Click Connect or Add GitHub. ClickUp will redirect you to GitHub, so you can authorize the connection. Now sign in to your GitHub account, if needed. GitHub may ask which repositories ClickUp can access. You can allow access to all repositories or choose only specific repositories for better security. After authorizing, return to ClickUp and select the workspace, space, folder, or list where you want GitHub activity to connect with your tasks. Once the integration is active, you can start linking GitHub work to ClickUp tasks. For example, when creating a commit, branch, or pull request, include the ClickUp task ID in the GitHub message. This helps ClickUp recognize the related task and display GitHub activity inside it. You can also use GitHub updates to improve team visibility. Developers can work in GitHub, while project managers and teammates can track progress in ClickUp without checking the code repository every time. Before using the integration fully, test it with one task. Create a small branch or commit linked to a ClickUp task and confirm that the activity appears correctly. If the integration does not work, check your GitHub permissions, repository access, and ClickUp integration settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.